Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Ford F-550 Super Duty. So, it's massive. Let's just start that out. It is absolutely massive. This one's fitted with a dump body. Should I still got a plate? I do. Go in there. That's gonna fall out, but it's fine. This is the XL trim. And although this one is fitted can be fitted with the Power Stroke 6.7, this one has Godzilla. This new 7.3 liter V8 made it to the 10 speed. Total price, sticker wise, of $50,355, fitted with the dump body. Total price is $67,105. Cool. Without further ado, let's go ahead and drive this thing, because I'm getting hungry and I want to go home. Need to drop that window a little bit so I can see. All right. I don't know where the PTO is. I'm not gonna mess with it. Let's go for a drive. Does have a backup camera and a backup beeper, because you know you can't really see all that well. This is useless. It's amazing because this actually sounds really good, because the exhaust is, I mean, it's open all the way back there, so the pipe and everything. Ow. That's the other thing. At least this isn't a cutaway. This actually is fitted with a upfit, so it's a little bit better. The cutaways, you drive them over bumps, oh good luck. You are bouncing. I mean, there's times where I've gotten air off speed bumps and everything just by, you know, hitting a bump wrong. light every time. Does sound good. Oh, that's bouncy. Really does sound good. Here's the part I wasn't looking forward to. A bumpy section. Here we go, boys. Told you, it's meant to be loaded, so the suspension's very, very high sprung. Try shifting it manually. Oh, that hurts so much. I'm being sarcastic there. Take the smoother road this time, which tests the turning radius and the rear diff. Let's see if I can take it. Why does it sound so good? the dump truck. It shouldn't sound this good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.